Okay, so this is paper 2, 2015, October. Question number 18. You say we have here are 6-digit cards, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They say use 4 of the cards to complete this number sentence. So we have more than one option. Option number 1, we could say it is what? 1 over 2 and 3 over 6. This could be option, okay, and we work with it. Or we can use what we can write is 2 over 4, and the other one it is 3 over 6. So you have got two options. You can work with anyone you want. The 3 over 6 and the 2 over 4, or the 3 over 6 and 1 over 2. Because all of them, they will give you what? A half. Number 19, we say apples cost $1.60 for 500 grams. What is the cost of 2 kilograms of apples? The best way of doing this is what? You can write it as a ratio. You can write it as what? As a ratio.
Ratio.
Okay, or you can write it as what? As cross multiplication. You've got two options. As cross multiplication, you could say 500 gram is costing what? Is costing to $1.60. And then you'd like 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms is equal to how many grams?
2 kilograms.
Yes, it's
What?
equal to how many
2000.
grams?
2000.
It's equal to 2000 gram. You could say this 2000 gram is equals to what? Is equal to a missing number. You know what it is. And then after that, you do cross multiplication. Like you'll find what? This 2 kilogram cost. By the way, some people, they could put in here the value of X. Then they work out the cost of X. They say X is equal. They multiply those two together and they divide them by 500. They say it is 2000 multiplied by 1.60. And then they divide it by what? They divide by 100. Okay?
Okay.
So when we have got such an option and we would like to divide this one, some people, they work more smart. They just what? They do the division first, and then after that, they do the multiplication. And you can do this actually. 2000 divide 500 is equal what? You can cancel the 2 zeros with the 2 zeros. It will be 20 divided by 5. And 20 divided by 5 is equal?
4.
4. Then the x will be what? X will be equals to 4 multiplied by what? 1.60.
6.
And that's equal to 6.4. Okay? 0.
Okay.
Then you could say the cost is equal to what? It's equal to $6.40. Other people, they don't do this. They write here the apple. And right here what? The cost. They say the apple is 500 grams. The cost is $1.60. Then here the apples change to become to what? 2000. And the cost is missing. You don't know what it is. They work as ratio. We know ratio when numbers changing, it is multiplication or division. 500, it moves to become 2000. That means we did what?
Times 4.
We multiplied by 4. So we're going to multiply the 1.6 also by what? By 4. And this will give you what? Will give you 6.2 or 6.40. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Some people, they work with ratio this way. However, you will get the same answer. If you do with cross multiplication or you do it with ratio. If you like to do with ratio, you write the apples to the cost. And then you write what is given and what is missing. you know how to solve it or how to calculate it, okay?
Okay.
They say here is a diagram of a cube. How many edges does the cube have? Before you do, you need to know what are the edges. Those are the edges. Those lines here are what? Are the edges. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is 8. This one is 9. You have got sure one from here to here. Say this is 10. You have got one from here to here. This is 11. You have one from here to here. Is 12. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. So it has how many edges?
12.
12 edges. But in your mind, also, like if you would like to find edges of any prism, you know the difference between prism and
Pyramid.
the pyramid. Prism, we said all the faces are what? Are rectangles, except two could be taking any shape. As long as you know this is a prism, and you would like to know the number of edges, okay, the face, sides, multiplied by what? Multiplied by 3. Edges of any prism. Edges of what? Of prism.
And prism.
We say this edge of prism is equal to what? Face sides multiply 3. So if it was triangular prism, the face is 3, and 3 multiplied 3 is 9. So the edges will be 9. Get it?
Yes.
Yes. And how many vertices does it have? The vertex,
Yes.
you know what is a vertex? The vertex
Yeah.
are, or the vertex is the corner, right? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. And the same idea, you could have also rule for it. Vertices of any or of prism equals the face, sides, multiply by what?
2.
Multiply by 2. So it has how many vertices?
4 times 2, 8.
Yes, it has 8 vertices. Okay, and what else do we have? Like edges, vertices, and what else? We have faces, right?
Yes.
And also faces of prism
And add,
equals
you add 2
faces or face,
plus 2.
sides, plus 2, okay?
Okay.
So if I said how many faces, you say 6 faces, okay?
Right.
Yes. Here is what? A bus timetable. How long does the bus take to get from Beverly to Dawn? This is Beverly, and this is Dawn. Say how long takes, or what you need to do what? You find difference between the time. You can take any 2 times. It doesn't matter which one exactly. If we take this one, we could say it.
Page 5. Okay, 2015 paper 2.
If we're talking about this one, we could say it is 9, 13, Or you start, for example, like 8. Let's say we start from 8, 0, 5 to 9, 13.
Yes. 68 minutes.
Yes. If you would like to know or to do better, like you can go from 8, 0, 5 to 9. Okay?
Yeah. 55.
And then from 9 to 9, 13. Here you need how many? 55
55
minutes.
minutes.
And here how many? 13 minutes.
Minutes.
Right?
Yeah.
So then you add the 55 and 13 together.
Yes.
Okay, 55 plus 13 is equal what?
68.
Yes, you add them, 55 and 13. That will give you 68 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
We have here Tula gets on a bus at 14:45 and gets off 53 minutes later. Where does she get off? Okay? Where did she get off the bus? Like 14:45. We look, 14:45 is over here.
Yes.
So 14:45, 45 plus 53 minutes. How do we add it? We see how many we need to go to 2. Like 14, 45 plus 15, it will be what? Hello?
15.
Yes, it will be what? It will be 15. Right?
Yeah.
Then when we take 15 from 53, what's left?
15 from
53
53.
minus 15. It's going to be 13 minus 5 is 8. And 4 minus 1 is 3. 38 minutes, right?
Yes.
So she will get what?
At 15:38.
At 15:38. Then all what we need to look at 15:38. 15:38 is as which one? As C,
This.
right? Then we write the answer here is what? It's a C. City. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes.